So now I got 20 minutes. So, as it looks, my car's gonna be ready tomorrow. Tomorrow. I love you tomorrow. So I'm just, I don't know if this mic is gonna, hang on. I think I should use power glue, super glue, to glue the shit. Oh, the sticker doesn't stick on the plastic. So, he's gonna charge me like 4 hours of work. He wrote 6 on it. It's a crappy car. It's the worst Beamer ever. The story with this car is, I bought it. It was actually a good car. Then I traded it in for an E46. Newer model, nice looking car. Got it from 300 miles away, drove home, and the distribution chain, or the cam belt chain, it just snapped when I was home. And it took me like 3 months to get my old car back. A lot of fighting with the guy, like verbally, not physically, about, yeah, it's not my fault, and the car worked when we got it, and this and this, and like, no. So I just threatened him to break down his company online, because a review can go a long way. So I just wanted to leave some bad reviews, and he said, no, don't do that. You get your car back. So I got it back, but he fixed some stupid shit by just bypassing stuff. Yes, and his power steering, and it just had an effect on the alarm system. So I was driving around with a siren going, and the entire time it's like, well, so that's gonna be fixed. But no, I don't have any central door lock. A lot of spaghetti cables on my dash. That's why I didn't want to do it myself. And I actually don't have an idea what everything out. I would have actually pulled everything out. Coppers, the rozzers. Don't kill switch yourself again. I'm gonna lose the mic. It's gonna go bling. Very awkward weave with my left hand. And it's shit. Slow people behind the steering wheel or slow cars. I could see if my mom's swinging. Some guy with a Coke bottle like. So, and now we need to pick up Mila. Cheap ass gloves. Oh my god, they lost the throttle pedal. The go fast pedal. I thought I lost the mic. I'm gonna fix this, man. It doesn't have to be, but just slide it in with some. Oh, good, kijk, lamptute. That's Dutch for slow backs. I think I'm gonna lose the mic in a minute. My mom has a glue gun. I can just glue the shit on. I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do a pit stop at my mommy's. Pit stop. Noisy pedal. Oh shit, I didn't bring my keys. It's Bluetooth. I got no keys. Okay, that's crap. So I got no keys. Ah, fuck it. They're actually filming me. I got something flying inside my hand. Just check if you want to. I win! Let's take the bios out there. Yeah. So. Astra nearly took me out. It's a sneaky road. Oh man, bearded man problems. It's like no, my beard is attached to the Velcro. It's like, it's pulling my facial hair. Okay, that's what an idiot that. Just stop right in front of you. It's like, no, you're not going that way. I'm going that way. Yeah. They just pull away and stop in the middle of the street. Hey, fucking idiot. It's a bike. That could be a cop. Cop car. Po. They got very typical cars, like Prestige cars, like Volvos, and they all do like if you ride your bike, you don't have any idea of what time it is. At least I do. I can be on my bike for an hour and think it's like 5 minutes ago. 36. So I got like 10 more minutes. That would be something for me. I just lose the mic because the Velcro doesn't attach. I want the pink balloon! That's when your bike gets out of hand. I actually want to know why I'm not allowed to go in there. It's like you can go in there, but I want to go in there. I want to put this in my mouth. Any minute now. Just don't rush yourself. Just go chill. It looks lovely. Lovely. I'm not waiting for you. I can't see the green light now. That's not very handy. The blonde beauty doing some action shopping. Instead of running here. Pain in my neck from the slide. Pumpkin! Wins again. Oh, it's green. La, 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 la. Okay, that's it. Now I have to wait for Mila. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna film later on when we drive away. Okay, bye. It's gonna physically hurt my face.
Very bad hair day. Somebody